So everybody, we are back on part 3 of the pack battle. We have Destined Rivals versus Journey Together, which is the two latest sets, and we're going to continue on this hype train. Hopefully by now people have been able to get their hands on some of the new Destined Rivals stuff because it has been amazing. But without further ado, let's do 9 packs of Journey Together versus 9 packs of Destined Rivals and see who gives us the better pull. Because right now I believe it is overall tied after 18 packs. Let's get into it. So like I said everybody, we're going to be opening 9 packs of each one. We had two 36-pack boosters and we're kind of dwindling down on round 3 here to see what this looks like. And in the last round, we actually got 2 pulls from each set, with Team Rocket's Meowth as one of the big ones and then Iona's Bellybolt as the other one. So let's just fire this up and go from here. So alright, let's start off with a Destined Rivals pack and see what kind of damage we can do in terms of some of these pulls. We're still kind of waiting on some of the big ones. And as of right now, we're still missing a few. So we have Ethan's Pikachu to start off, Yamna, Lapras, Primeape, Abomasnow, Judge, Fortress, Yanma, Ethan's Pichu again, and we got a Crustle. So far, so nothing, as they say. But now let's see if Journey Together has something different for us in terms of some pulls. It's interesting, with Destined Rivals, the pull rates have been relatively low, and Journey Together, for me, at least personally, anecdotally as they say, has been a little bit better, but let's see. We got Mr. Mime, Sprigatto, Drampa, Durant, Combuskin, Alolan Golem, Excavalier, Lotad, another Excavalier. Ooh, what do we got here? A Cloydsire, EX. Alright, so we got one pull here. We'll take an EX any time of the day, and I'll put the pricing on the screen right here because, again, pricing for Journey Together is out, but depending on when you're seeing this, Destined Rivals pricing for individual cards is still something that's so new that it's really not out yet because there isn't any data for it. So let's keep the train going. Let's go with Journey Together first. So round 1, we're up 1-0 on Journey Together. Destined Rivals, still nothing as we can see. But let's start ripping these. So we got Swinub, Shelmet, Shelgon, Milcery, Greedent, Regice, Cramorant, Petilil, Combuskin, and another EX, Tapu Koko. So if you guys were following along, code card for whoever wants it, we've already actually pulled a Tapu Koko, but we'll take a second one. A pull is a pull. And we'll add it to our Journey Together collection that we've been building, which is getting kind of nice overall. But again, we're still missing a lot of the big ones when it comes to Journey Together and even Destined Rivals. So if we open this up, let's crack open this Destined Rivals pack with Garchomp. Give me one of the cool ones. Give me a Team Rocket Mewtwo, or Ethan's Typhlosion, or Ethan's Ho-Oh. We got Dwebble, Cyndaquil, Mastiff, Chingling, Cynthia's Power Weight, Team Rocket's Golbat, Mudsdale, Mudbray. I don't think I've even seen this Pokemon yet. We don't have that one. Team Rocket's Great Ball, Roserade. Oh, well, I guess that was the rare, unfortunately. So again, it is 1-0 or 2-0 technically, actually. Journey Together after 2 rounds. Let's open up Destined Rivals first for this round 3, and definitely consider subscribing to the channel because we have more stuff like this coming. And don't forget to join our short series. We're unboxing or unpacking 1 pack per day as long as we can, depending on the number of likes. But here we go: Rotom, Nidoran, Carbink, Team Rocket's Archer, another Ogerpon, Shaman, Ekans, Mareep. Ooh, what do we got here? A Rabska with a Fire Energy code card. But look at how nice this is. Upside down draw, Psychic, double Black Star. A little bit heavy on the left side here, but hey, we'll take it. We get to sleeve up another one. And that is our first Destined Rivals pull of this round. But now let's see if Journey Together can go with 3 pulls in a row. With another EX, what do we think? Do we have that magic draw? Here we go. Carablast, Torchic, Lilligant, Alolan Graveler, Iris' Fighting Spirit, Octillery, Weezing, Alolan Golem. Ooh, what? 3 in a row? No way. And then behind there we have Hop Snorlax, but oh my goodness. Look at this Wooloo. Look how pretty this is. Smash Kick. We have The trainer sitting in the field. Leave a comment down below if you know what that trainer name is. So cool. And then how does it look on the back? Unbelievable. We got a little nick up here, but we can probably roll that one out. Such a pretty card. So again, it is 3-1 Journey Together, just 3 rounds in. So let's keep this train rolling. We're gonna go Destined Rivals and another Journey Together. Let's crack open a Destined Rivals and see if our luck can change at all. Again, round 4, it's 3-1. I don't think I've ever had 3 pulls in a row from any set whatsoever, but here we go. We got Team Rocket's Raticate, Arrokuda, Maschiff, Dolive, Manectric, Team Rocket's Factory, Cornerstone, Arjurpon, Gradient. Ooh! We are on fire right now. We got an Orbeetle in the behind there, a Zamazenta, code card for whoever wants it. But whoa! This is a sick artwork. Team Rocket's Orbeetle. 1 gold star, 198 out of 182. Oh wow. Definitely gotta sleeve that guy up. Whoa. Such a cool card, everybody. Let me know in the comment down below what you think of this one. The artwork is amazing. The Pokemon, it is what it is, but the artwork is fire. So I'll put that right there. And then, let's crack open the Journey Together. Can they do 4 pulls in a row? Or would Pokemon even let that happen in the same booster box? Who knows? But, let's get after it. Here we go. Dunsparce, Impidimp, Lechonk, Cubone, Cramorant, Maractus, Cinccino, Torchic, oh, Wattrel. Ah, and there goes the luck. The luck has ended right there. Code card for whoever wants it. But we did get a Wailord, so as of right now, after 3 rounds, it still is in the favor of Journey Together, but this Orbeetle versus this Wooloo. Which one do you guys like better? Orbeetle or Wooloo? I need to fix the lighting a little bit, but such great cards. Let's let this train continue. Let's pull from kind of the middle here and see what we can find. Alright, the Mewtwo pack. Let's go Journey Together first and see if we can continue this magic, because again, this is already more pulls and we're not even halfway done than the last episode. The second part, we only had 2 pulls from each. And let's run with this. Here we go. So we got Zigglyph, Billionaire, Pancham, Minccino, Electrode, Volcarona, Marowak, Selgor, Geodude. Oof. And then we got the Double, which is fine. You know, no big deal. Code card for whoever wants it. And then, move this off to the side. Let's open up this Mewtwo. I'm feeling good about this, guys. I'm feeling good. Feeling real good about it. See if we can give you guys this code card. And here we go. We have Torchic, Rotom, Team Rocket's Nidoran, Carbink, Murkrow, Claydol, Probopass, Cynthia's Gabite, Metang. Oof, we got an EX. Oof. Ooh, look at the Nidoking. Team Rocket's Nidoking. Dang, that thing looks mean. Look at that. That's such a cool card. Okay, Team Rocket. Okay, Destined Rivals. We'll add it in there. 3-3 after 5 rounds. Who would have thunk that? So again, like I said, we still have 4 rounds left in total, and we already have more pulls, or 2 more pulls even, than the last round. So let's get 2 more here. And let's start off with Destined Rivals. What can we do here for round 6? Leave some comments down below who you think is going to win this pack battle. I'm hoping Destined Rivals wins just because I want some of those pulls. But we got Raticate, Arrokuda, Maschiff, Dolive, Arjurpon, Team Rocket's Botherbot, Milotic, another Arjurpon, a Mimikyu, and then we have Team Rocket Zapdos, which we've pulled a couple times already. That's fine, no love lost, no love lost. A little bit humbling. You guys see we have red and blue lights going on behind me right there. Because again, red and blue is what we're unboxing right now. Here we go. Nimble, Larvitar, Remoraid, Carablast, Darmanitan, Redeemable Ticket, Combuskin, Torkoal, and here we go. Magearna. I don't think we have that one yet. Interesting card. Right, let's go. We're into the back third. Okay, let's go with the front ones here. We're gonna go Journey Together first this time. Moving right along. I'm also so excited to get my tag graded cards back because I'm excited to see what that process is like. But here we go. Larvesta, Metapod, very cool art. Black Belt Training, Voltorb, Alone Golem, Excavalier, Electrode, Metang, and then, here we go. Magmortar, code card. So here we go. We might be getting humbled a little bit here. This always happens. We start to lose some steam. Here we go, everybody. Come on. Cynthia's Gabite, Quilava, Nidorina, Baltoy, Lurantis, Team Rocket's Transceiver, Nidoqueen, Porygon, and we got the Hydra Apple. Okay. It's funny how they made a Pokemon, like, basically an apple. That's when you know the creativity is kind of, you know, just a little bit. But let's pull two more. And we're going to go with Destined Rivals first, because I want to finish with Destined Rivals. And this is round 8. We're still tied 3-3. Let's open one more pull out of these 4 packs to see if we can really get that done. So here we go. Electabuzz, Geibel, Skarmory, Smoliv, oh, we dropped that one. Ethan's Pinsir, Barraskewda, Team Rocket's Proton, Zubat, Rattata, and then Tyranitar. Okay. Uh-oh. I need some good luck down here, so drop some thumbs up down below, some comments, some words of wisdom. Let me know what you guys are doing also, but let's get after it. Darmorka, Fungus, Clink, Lotad, Cinccino, Maractus, Toadskruel, Beldum. I thought it was going to be another Beldum. Bannet, and Magmortar. Okay. And we are down to our last pack. We literally got that Magmortar last time too, so interesting last 2 packs. And let's finish this thing off. Alright, let's go Journey Together first. Really finish this off for us and see if we can finish off on a high note here. Or if we've been completely humbled after that hot start. I feel like that keeps happening. We get the hot start and then nothing happens after that. But here we go. Oricorio, Ens Purloin, Professor Research, Cutiefly, Volcarona, Marowak, Brock Scouting, Milcery, Kecleon, and then another Wailord. Alright, so it's all up to this final pack to see if Destined Rivals can take this win. And I'll start to add up the totals of all 3 parts. And I think technically just based off this booster battle, I'm not looking. So I don't know, hopefully you guys haven't looked either. I think it might be tied, but let's see. Diplin, Electrike, Tailo, Slugma, Claydol, Team Rocket's Ariana, Floatzel, Mastiff, Feebas, Articuno, everybody. So, looks like we finished up tied. So again, funny enough, it looks like we finished up tied again. The last pack battle we had was 2-2. This one was 3-3. So at least we got a couple more pulls. But in the last 18 packs, it is 5-5, and we have 9 packs left of each one. So we're gonna see what that looks like. And then, like I said, we have some Prismatics, some Surging Sparks, and a bunch of other stuff that I would love to open. We even have some 151, which that's in my personal collection, but maybe we'll open that one up if we get enough comments, enough likes, enough traction on these videos. But that'll do it for this video. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Leave a little R in the comments below so I know you made it to the end for Team Rocket. And if you want to watch more videos like this one, or if you missed parts 1 or 2, definitely check those out. But that'll do it for this video. Until next time, I'm Fernando. Peace, everybody.